Hi, welcome to Road to 100 Quant Questions. Perimeter of triangle ABC is 10 centimeters. AB is equal to AC. What's the range of value of x? So basically we are talking of isosceles triangle where two lengths are equal. The third length smallest can be almost 0. I'm not saying 0 but almost 0. Slightly more than 0. Maybe 0.01, 0.001, whatever. So it means the two big values x and x. So 2x will be little less than 10. So x maximally will be a little less than 5. So just less than 5 is possible. So that means A and B option. Also there is a property which says sum of two sides will always be more than third side. In which case the sum of two sides 2x has to be more than 5. Right? Because all the three sides put together is 10. Right? The sum of two sides can't be less than 5 because if it's less than 5 then it will be less than the third side. Not possible. So sum of two sides has to be more than 5. So x has to be more than 2.5. So from that you can make out the answer is A option. We have three boxes painted red, blue, green. So you have red, blue, green. They have 12 liters, 15 liters, 18 liters. Four walls are painted with equal quantities, cerulean color, 4 colors, which is formed by mixing blue and green in a ratio of 1:2. And in the end, equal quantities are left behind. It means whatever extra which is there, blue and green, blue raised 3 liters, green raised 6 liters extra. This must be used for cerulean color. Okay, this must be used. That means 9 liter was used. If 9 liter was used, that means 9 liter was used for also red, blue, and green. So in the end, what will remain is 3 liters, 3 liters, 3 liters. So that means the quantity of blue color remaining was 3 liters. From 15 liters, 3 liters was used for cerulean color and 9 liters was used for making blue color. So if you remove this, what remains is 3 liters, A option. Each student scored different marks and ranks were assigned based on the marks with highest marks getting rank 1. So A scored 5th rank. B scored less than exactly 1/3 of the students. Right? And the difference in C's rank with both A's and B's is the same and is 3. Now C cannot be more than A because if C is more than A then C will be second rank and B will be even more than that, more than first rank, not possible. That means C has to be 8th rank because difference in rank is 3 and B has to be 11th rank, difference in rank is 3. If B is 11th rank and is more than exactly 1/3 of the students, that means 10 students are above B, which is 1/3. So 10 students is 1/3 of the students. So total number of students will be 30. C option. Total of 14 students in class A and B. 1/4 of students from class A through with 1/3. That means the number of students in class A should be a multiple of 4. Number of students in class C should be a multiple of 3. Can't have 4 because 10 not possible because B should be multiple of 3. 8, 6 is possible. That's the only thing possible. So again 12, 2 is not possible. So A has 8, B has 6. So 1/4 of the students is 2 students of class A and 2 students of class B. All their matches with 1/3. So these students drew their matches with 2 students of class B. I mean they played 4 matches with each other. 2 into 2, 4 matches with each other. So 4 matches were drawn. Total how many matches were played? 14 into 13 upon 2 into 1. You can say it is 14C2 or you can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 13 matches being played. Either way you get 14 into 13 upon 2 is to 1, which is 91 matches played. From that 4 matches are drawn. So left is 87 matches which are win and loss. D option. A plus 2B plus 3C and they are all positive integers. A plus 2B plus 3C equal to 18. We also know A plus B plus C is 9. Remove that from here. What we'll get is B plus 2C equal to 9. If I remove A plus B plus C 9, B plus 2C is 9. Positive integer. So put a value. So if C is 1, B will be 7. So in that case, A will be 1. Total is 9, right? If B is 2, right, 4, which means A says C is 2, then B is 5, A will be 2. Total is 9. 3, 3, 3, again total 9. So B plus 2C should be 9 and A plus B plus C should be 9. Satisfied. And 4, 1, 4. So 4 cases possible. So answer will be D option. Thank you.